Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this triangle ABC, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this angle ACB is x, this angle CAB is 2x, and finally this angle ABC is 3x. And furthermore, this side length AC of this triangle is 32 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this triangle ABC, and furthermore we are going to calculate the perimeter of this triangle as well. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe, and please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this triangle ABC. And now let's recall the triangle sum theorem. According to this theorem, the sum of three interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. And here we can see in this triangle ABC, these are our interior angles, and all of them must be equal to 180 degrees. So let me go ahead and write it down. So our angle x plus our angle 2x plus angle 3x must add up to 180 degrees. Let's combine the like terms on the left hand side. That is going to give us 6x equals to 180 degrees. And now I am going to divide both sides by 6 to isolate x. The 6 and 6 is gone. So therefore our x value turns out to be 30 degrees. So therefore we can see this x angle turns out to be 30 degrees. This angle 2 times x is going to be 60 degrees. And finally 3 times x is going to give us 90 degrees. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this angle is 90 degrees. So therefore this must be a right triangle. So therefore we have modified this triangle as this right triangle ABC, where this angle is 30 degrees, this angle is 60 degrees, and this is our 90 degree angle. And furthermore we know that this AC side length is 32, so therefore this corresponding AC side length is going to be 32 units as well. And now we can see that this triangle is our 30, 60, 90 special triangle. Before we proceed any further, let me go over the basic review. And now let's focus on this triangle ABC. And this is our special 30, 60, 90 triangle. Since this angle is 30 degrees, this angle is 60 degrees, and this is our 90 degree angle. So therefore the side opposite to this smallest angle is going to be our smallest leg, and we know this is our largest angle, 90 degrees. So therefore the side opposite to that angle is going to be our longest leg, that is also called the hypotenuse. So therefore in such kind of special 30, 60, 90 triangle, the longest leg is always twice the smallest leg. In other words, if the smallest leg is 1 unit, then the longest leg is going to be 2 units, and this third leg has got to be square root of 3. So therefore in general, if the smallest leg is A, then the longest leg is going to be 2 times A, and this third leg has got to be A times square root of 3 units. And now we can see our smallest leg is AB, so that is going to be A. This longest leg AC is going to be 2 times A, and this third leg has got to be A times square root of 3. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this side length AC is 32, and that is also equal to 2 times A, so we can equate them. So therefore we can write 2 times A equals to 32. Let's divide both sides by 2 to isolate A. So therefore A value turns out to be 16 units. So therefore this side length AB is A. So this is going to be 16 units, and this side BC is going to be 16 times the square root of 3 units. So finally we figured out all these three side lengths. This side length is 16, 32 and 16 times the square root of 3. And now let's focus on this triangle ABC. And now we are going to calculate the area of this triangle. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times base times height. And in our case, this side length is the base of this triangle, and this side length is the height. So therefore, the area of this triangle ABC is going to be a half times our base is 16 times square root of 3 times height is 16. And if we simplify everything on the right hand side, that is going to give us 128 times square root of 3. So therefore the area of this triangle turns out to be 128 times square root of 3 square units, and that is going to be approximately equal to 221.7 square units as well. So thus once again the area of this triangle ABC turns out to be 128 times square root of 3 square units, and that is approximately equal to 221.7 square units as well. And now let's focus once again on this triangle ABC. And this time we are going to calculate the perimeter of this triangle ABC. And we know the perimeter is simply the sum of all these side lengths of the triangle. So let's go ahead and calculate the perimeter of this triangle ABC. That is going to be 16 plus 32 plus 16 times square root of 3. And if we combine all these terms, that is going to give us 48 plus 16 times square root of 3. So thus the perimeter of this triangle turns out to be 48 plus 16 times square root of 3 units. And that is going to be approximately equal to 75.713 units as well. So thus once again the perimeter of this triangle ABC turns out to be 48 plus 16 times square root of 3 units, and that's approximately equal to 75.713 units as well. So thus here are the area and the perimeter, and these are our final answers. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.